I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in.
Hey, what is up, YouTube? I actually just made a tutorial and about the sound effector, but my recording software crashed and kind of have to start over now. So I'm going to be starting over, showing you guys what I did and how to do it all over again. I know it's kind of a pain in the butt for me, but I don't know. I enjoy doing it, so I'm going to do it. Just so you guys know, I will not monetize any of my videos. I do this for fun and I enjoy it. I don't really want to make money off this. I just want to do it for fun. But recently, or earlier today, I uploaded a video about how to animate. And I'm going to be making a new series about animating because that was a... what was that? I did a rigging tutorial on how to rig a character. And I'll be showing you guys how to animate. Alrighty, let's get going. So let's open up Cinema 4D. So, like I said, this is the sound effect tutorial. Obviously, you read the title. So let's go into our cube and let's create it. Let's kind of stretch it out, get it kind of nice and like that. Yeah, pretty much like that. That looks pretty good. Alrighty, so now after we have that done, we gotta like duplicate it. So let's go under MoGraph and cloner. I will not be doing a very in-depth how to use all the tools tutorial. I've already done one of those, and that was for a simple intro. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, that's what I got for right now. So cloner, make sure to drop this cube under the cloner. Take this cloner and go to object and put it on grid array and put this at 1. And I'll be doing this and this at 10. So it looks like this. Alrighty, so now that we got that, that's basically our grid array. So let's go under MoGraph, or click off of everything, go under MoGraph, Effectors, and let's go under Sound. So I'm in Cinema Studio 32-bit R12, but I'm pretty sure that in R13, and I don't know if there's an R14 yet. I'm pretty sure there is. I think there is. I think they support WAV formats for sound, but right now they only support MP3 and R12. So under our sound effector, let's go and go to Effector and take cloner and drag it under selection and put the minimum at 0, and then let's go to parameter and put this at absolute, and then let's go to Effector, sound file, choose your sound file, and go down here where that little speaker icon is, click on that. What that does is it turns on your so you can hear the sound, and I'll play it, and I'm not getting anything. So I'm gonna double check to see that the effector is under the cloner and it's playing a WAV file. I do not know why that's not working. Apply mode step, that's important. And it's still not working, so let's go into parameters. Absolute, I can just go relative, just like I did before. And that's still not working. I don't know if you guys already see what I did wrong. Sample mode. Oh, nope, already did step. I think it's because I'm not getting it. I'll try an MP3 file. No, yeah, I know it's, I think actually it's WAV files that I get. This is weird. I'll pause the video, I'll be right back with you guys, because I want to figure this out, so I'm gonna pause. Hey, what up, you guys? I'm back. I found out, I went back to my other file where it's complete, and I found out what I had wrong. I'm pretty sure this is it. Position and scale, so Whoops, I gotta put back on my audio. That's weird. It's on. Shows that's oh, I see what's wrong right here. So I gotta make sure parameter is on absolute. Let's put that on scale and node fall off visible. This is pretty weird. Cloner, effectors, sound. Alright, there we go. There's my big screw up that was holding us back. Let's go to and play it. That's not really, I mean, that's at where we want to be at. But let's go and fine tune it so it looks like the other one. Alright, so now let's go under the sound effector and effectors, and let's do step and parameter, absolute. Make sure these are checked. And under the effector, let's put this at about like that. And let's put this at about 3,000. Our frame count, so we have more frames to work with, so it doesn't cut us off. And let's play it.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model chick, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing.
The cube is really shrinking in some areas. Because if you pause it and go back to the first frame, it's pretty much a solid cube, or pretty close to a cube. I mean, you could go, and I'm pretty sure you could change the size of it by selecting your cube and changing that, so it looks like an exact cube.
I don't see how you can hate from
like
outside of the club.
Little chunks of it are shrinking when you go from above.
Leg out.
Alright, so that's pretty much the tutorial for today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe, and like I said before, I did a few other videos, and I'm trying to get at least 1 or 2 of them out per day. I'll do a week on with videos and then a week off. I think after it hits kind of September, I'll be doing a lot more of them. Probably like by September 10th, I'll be doing a lot more videos. Or what I mean by a lot more is I'll be doing I won't be doing the week on, week off thing. I don't have any subscribers yet, but I would really like to get some subscribers, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.